This tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet for lesson 19 of Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for Clarinet, which introduces the scale and arpeggio of C minor. It is important that you follow all the instructions on the worksheet, as this video will not cover all that is required by itself. C minor is the relative minor of E flat major, which you have not learnt yet. It has three flats in its key signature, B flat, E flat and A flat, but the leading note is raised by a semitone from B flat to B natural, so there are actually only two flats to contend with. Consequently, C minor is a natural break pattern scale, just like C major. This takes many students by surprise, as B natural feels out of place in a flat key. You've not yet encountered A flat in any scale, but you have played its enharmonic equivalent, G sharp, in A major and A minor. It is important to remember that it is A flat, because your instincts may try to persuade you that you are playing two different sorts of G and missing out A in this scale. Exercise 26 will help you get used to this awkward section in both octaves of the scale. Here is the scale of C minor. In the arpeggio of C minor, C is followed by E flat. This means that in the second register you must use the left-hand fingering for C. Exercise 27 covers the use of this fingering in the arpeggio. Here is the arpeggio of C minor. Be sure to complete practice plan 19 meticulously before moving on to lesson 20.